Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start our new operation, that is division. We learned how many operations? 3. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, right? Today we are going to learn division of large numbers. We already learned how to divide large numbers of 4 digit and 3 digit as well as 5 digit numbers in our previous class, that is in our 4th class. Today we are going to learn 3 digit and 4 digit with 1 digit and 2 digit. In next class I am going to teach you 3 digit and 5 digit and 6 digit number with 3 digit and 4 digit number. Okay, today we are going to practice 3 digit and 4 digit problems, how to solve and how to divide with 1 digit and 2 digit numbers. Okay, what is the meaning of division? Division is equal sharing or equal grouping, right? We are going to divide something into equal parts. If suppose if you are having 10 biscuits, 10 chocolates, what you will do? If you want to distribute into 2 persons, what you will do? You will divide, right? If suppose you are having 10 biscuits or 10 chocolates, I'll say, if you want to divide into 2 persons, if you want to divide, what you will do? You will give 5 to this person, 5 to this person, right? So here which operation we are applying? Division, right? Division is nothing but it is equal sharing and equal grouping. जो भी आप कुछ divide करते हैं वो equally divide करना है आप. जो भी आप share करते हैं you have to share it equally or you have to divide it equally. That is the meaning of division. Equal sharing. Meaning of division is equal sharing and equal grouping. Okay, you have to group in you have to make equal groups or you have to share it equally. Okay, meaning of division is equal sharing or equal grouping, we will say. Let's see how many terms in division we are having. In addition, we are having 2 terms, addend and sum. In subtraction, we are having 3 terms, subtrahend, minuend, and difference. Result of subtraction is difference, right? In multiplication also, we are having 3 terms, multiplier, multiplicand. Result of multiplication is called product. Same here also in division also, we are having 3 terms, 4 terms we are having. Okay, what are those? We will see in detail by solving the problem. Okay, let's take one example. If I'll give you a question, find the question and remainder and then verify your answer. I'll give you divide the following, means you have to do this only. Divide the following. Okay. First, what I said, we are going to study 3 digit with 1 digit. These are how many digit number? 3 digit. We are going to study, you know how to divide, but listen once again, revise it, okay? So here we are having 3 digit number and we are having 3. We have to start doing our division. So this is our what? Divisor, okay? What is the number which we are going to divide is called dividend, okay? Here we are having 4 terms, divisor and starting we are having 2 terms. Dividend, the number that is being divided. First of all, we'll solve and we'll write it. I'm going to divide 464, right? 1 tens 100 if you want put it. 464 is our dividend. 3 is our divisor. We are going to start our division. See, this here we are having only 1 digit, 3. We have to start always in addition and subtraction. What we will do in multiplication as well, we will start from 1's position, right? But here in division, we have to start from our left hand side, that is from 100's position. Okay, कभी भी आप आपका डिवीजन करते हैं आप यहाँ से स्टार्ट करिए आपके लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से. Always in addition, subtraction, multiplication will start from our right hand side, but keep in your mind in division will start from our left hand side, that is from our hundreds and thousands, from lakhs position. Okay, let's check. Here we are having how many? 3 digit number. First of all, we will take only 1 digit. In order to divide this number, we have to see in 3 table. This is our first number. First of all, see if this number is less than 3 or greater than 3. Check it. 3 and 4 we are having. 4 is less than 3 or greater than 3? 4 is greater than 3, right? So we can say, yeah. So here 4 is greater than 3. That means 3 is less than 4. So we can check in 3 table. That's why I said you to learn tables perfectly. Okay. Suppose for your understanding purpose, I am writing this. 3, if this number is less than this divisor, then we can take this number. Suppose if we have 2, so you can't take 2. 3 ones are 3, you can't take it, is wrong. Okay, you can't take it like that, because here 2 is less than 3. So that's why, suppose if you are having this, if this number is less than 3, you can't take one digit only, you have to take 2 digit at a time. Okay, if you are having 1 digit, if it is greater than 3, if it is greater than this number, then you can take 1 digit. यहाँ पे जो नंबर रहेगा, अगर ये नंबर से बड़ा है नंबर, तो आप एक डिजिट ले सकते. If that number is smaller than this number, you can't take 1 digit, you have to take 2 digits. You have to check these 2 digits where that 2 digits are going to come in this table. Okay. Now my first digit is greater than 3, so I can take 1 digit. So I am checking in 3 table 4 will come or not. Check in 3 table 4 will come or not. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So the number which is less than 4, 4 से जो छोटा नंबर रहेगा वो नंबर कंसिडर करेंगे आप. That number which is greater than 4 you should not consider. See, in 3 table 4 is not coming, so we have to take less than 4. Less than 4 is 3. 4 से छोटा क्या है यहाँ पे 3, so we can take 3. 3 ones are. See, we have to write this multiplicand here in quotient place. Okay, 3 ones are. We have to write below the dividend. We have to write the product. Result of multiplication is product, right? So we have to write this here. Okay. Now in addition, multiplication, what we did after multiplying these two numbers, what we did? We did addition, right? Here in division, after dividing some numbers, 2 numbers, 3 numbers, 4 digit, 5 digit, whatever it may be, we have to do subtraction. आप डिवीजन में क्या करना रहेगा आपको? सब्ट्रैक्शन. रिमेंबर दिस, डोंट डू एडिशन, इट इज रॉन्ग, बिकॉज इन डिवीजन वी हैव टू डू सब्ट्रैक्शन. ओके, लेट्स डू अवर सब्ट्रैक्शन. This is our 4, right? From 4 we have to remove 3. Take out your 4 fingers, remove 3. How many are left? 1. I am keeping 1. Okay. No, I have not completed my division. I am having more 2 digits here. Okay. So what should I take? See, when you will get the answer, आपको जब इसका आंसर आ जाता, you have to check this answer with this digit, with this divisor. 1 is less than 3 or greater than 3. 1 3 से छोटा है या बड़ा है? 1 is obviously less than 3. 1 छोटा है 3 से. So you can't divide smaller number with bigger number. So we have to take one more digit from upside. That is 16. Put one arrow like this, keep one arrow and take other digit. Okay. So here we got 2 digits, 16. So in 3 table check. 16 will come or not. Okay, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, so on table is there, right? So I am checking 16 is going to come in 3 table or not. Check. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 16. Oh my god, 16 is not coming. What should I do? I don't know how to do the division. Don't worry. See, if it is 16 is not coming, check the number which is less than 16. 16 से जो छोटा है number वो check करिए आप. Here 18 we are having, right? Less than 16, 15, right? 18 is greater than 16. We want 16 here, but here we are having 15, here we are having 18. We should not take 18 because it is greater than 16. We can take the smaller numbers less than 16. Okay, 3 5s are. I'm writing 3 here already here. I'm writing 5 here. Listen carefully. 3 5s are 15. I'm writing below this. Doing subtraction again, putting minus sign is important. Okay, 6 minus 5. We have to remove 5 from 6. 1 2 3 4 5. How many will remain? 1 1. 1 minus 1 0. See students, if you are writing this 0 or if you are not writing, nothing will happen. Okay, because 0 is not having any value. That's why I am not writing. If you are writing 0, that's good. If you are also not writing, that is also good because 0 is not having any value. I got 3. Again I am checking. Is 1 is less than 3? Yes, 1 is less than 3. So what should I take? I have to take other digit. That is 4. Right? So I am taking other digit 4. I have taken leftover digit. What is left? Digit 4. I have taken. In 3 table, check 14 will come or not. Check 12, 15, 18. 14 is not coming. So I have to take 50. I should take 15 or 12. 12. Why I have to take 12? Why should I take 12? Means that is less than 14. So 3 4s are, see, 3 4s are 12. I'm putting minus sign, doing subtraction. 4 minus 2, 2. Okay. So here I told you already, we are having 4 terms. We will write that. We call this number as a divisor. Okay. We call this number as a quotient. We call this complete number. What do you call this complete number which you are going to divide? जो आप नंबर को डिवाइड कर रहे हैं उसको बोलेंगे आप डिविडेंड. Okay. Result of, like here in multiplication we will say result of multiplication is product. Here in division, especially in division, we will say result of division is quotient. We will consider. Okay. So this is what is leftover number. आप पूरा डिवीजन करे बाद में आपको क्या बच रहा नंबर? आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग योर डिवीजन व्हाट नंबर यू आर गोइंग टू लेफ्ट? आपके पास नंबर क्या बच रहा? दैट इज व्हाट यू कॉल दैट नंबर? रिमाइंडर. दैट इज नॉट रिमाइंडर, इट इज रिमाइंडर. That is reminder is of alarm, right? So here dividend, the number that is being divided. Divisor, the number which divides the dividend. The number that is being divided. Divisor. डिविडेंड, सी डिविडेंड इज अ नंबर दैट इज बीइंग डिवाइडेड. यहाँ पे जो नंबर डिवाइड हो रहा है उसको डिविडेंड बोलेंगे आप. डिवाइजर इज अ नंबर विच वी आर गोइंग टू डिवाइड टू डिविडेंड. ओके. द नंबर विच डिवाइड्स द डिविडेंड. द नंबर विच डिवाइड्स द डिविडेंड. Next question, the number of times the divisor will go into the dividend. The number of times, like I told you, 3 1s are 3. How many times it is going? That is the quotient. Okay. Remainder, the leftover number after long division which is less than the divisor. The leftover number after long division, ये जो पूरा long division हो गया, आपने जो नंबर बचता आपका उसको बोलेंगे आप remainder. Okay. Always keep in your mind the remainder should be less than divisor. Remainder की जो वैल्यू आती है आपको वो हमेशा आपकी डिवाइजर से छोटी रहेंगी. ओके. कीप इन योर माइंड द रिमाइंडर शुड बी लेस देन द डिवाइजर एंड रिमाइंडर इज द लेफ्ट ओवर नंबर आफ्टर डूइंग लॉन्ग डिवीजन. ओके. हियर वी कैन वेरीफाई ऑल्सो बट इट इज अ लिटिल बिट लेंथी इफ आई विल शो यू वेरिफिकेशन हियर. Okay, we will see how we have to verify. We are having one formula. Division next class. Verification. Okay, see here. Here we are doing verification as well. Okay. Here this is a formula to verify whether we got correct answer or not. Okay. So here what is our formula? Dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. In order to get this dividend, what we will do? We will multiply this two. Divisor से quotient को multiply करना. We have to multiply divisor with quotient and we have to add the remainder. We will check. What is our divisor here? 3, right? Right, 3. What is our quotient here? Quotient we got 154. 154 plus what is our remainder? 2. Write it. Okay. Multiply this. See, whenever we are having this type of statement like this, keep in your mind the number which are in bracket, which are in parenthesis. जो bracket के अंदर रहेंगे आप उसको first preference देंगे. Okay. Here we are in brackets we have 154 and 3. So we will multiply this first. 3 4s are 12. Carry 1. 3 5s are 15. 16. Carry 1. 3 1s are 3. 4. Right. We got 462. Then we have to add 2. I am adding 2. 464. So we got dividend 464. Check whether you got this same dividend or not. Yes, obviously we got same dividend. That means our answer is correct. Our quotient is correct and what leftover number is also correct. This is the method of verification. What is the formula for verification? Dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. आपको ये डिविडेंड आना है तो आप डिवाइजर से क्वेश्चन को मल्टीप्लाई करना, देन यू हैव टू ऐड दिस रिमाइंडर. ओके, डिविडेंड इक्वल्स टू डिवाइजर इनटू क्वेश्चन प्लस रिमाइंडर. ओके, कीप इन योर माइंड, यू गॉट द डिविडेंड सेम और नॉट, चेक इट. Here 464, there also 464. Okay, if I'll give you a question, divide the following and verify, means you have to do after division. After division you have to do that step. Remember, learn that formula. Dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Divisor into quotient plus remainder, you will get the dividend. If you are getting same dividend, suppose if I will get here 5, that means my answer is correct. We got quotient here. No, it is wrong because we are not getting same dividend, right? If you are getting same dividend only, at that time only your quotient and remainder values are correct. That means your answer here your answer is quotient. Main focus will be on quotient. Your answer is correct. Your quotient is correct. Okay. Let's move to our second problem. That is 3 digit with 1 digit. No, 4 digit with 1 digit. We have already done with 3 digit with 1 digit, right? Suppose we'll take 4. You know how to do division, just now I showed you, right? Start your division. 400. So I'll write here 8. You can take any number if you want. If you are practicing, you can take any number and you can do division. Okay, we will start from here, from this position, right? From our left hand side से start करेंगे आप. So here our divisor is 4, our dividend is 4648. So here we are having, what is our first digit? 4. Here also 4. I showed you that if this number is less than this, you have to take 2 digits. You can take, if this number is less than this, suppose if it is less than this, you have to take 2 digits, I showed you, right? If it is more than this digit, we can take 1 digit also. But when we are having the same digit, you can take as it is, because in 4 table 4 will come or not. Check it. 4 ones are 4. Yeah. Put 4 ones are 4. How many times 4 is going? 4 one time. 4 ones are 4. Okay. 4 minus 4, 0. Okay. You can write or you can leave this 0. I am taking 6. Our next digit is 6. In 4 table 6 will come. Recall your 4 table fast. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 8 is greater than 6. So we have to take 4 ones are 4 only. Okay. 6 minus 4. Remove 4 from 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are left? 2. 2 are left, right? So 2 is less than 4. Yeah, 2 is smaller than 4, right? So we have to take other digit. I'm keeping arrow and keep taking. In 4 table 24 will come. Check it. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Recall it. See why I'm saying to learn tables perfectly in order to do division fast. Okay. 4 6 are 24. In 4 table, if you are multiplying it 6 times, you will get 24. Okay. 4 6 are 24. Okay. 24 minus 24, 0 you will get. I'm taking other digit 8. You have to move on to division. You have to complete your division until unless you have left with 1 digit. यहाँ पे आप एक भी digit नहीं रहना आपको, जब तक आप multiplication करते रहना पड़ेगा आपको. If you have left with any digit, that means your division is incomplete. You have to complete this. You have to completely divide this dividend. Complete all the digits you have to divide. You should not left any digit. Okay, in 4 table 8 will come. And yes, 4 twos are right. 4 2 times. 4 twos are 8. So here, what is our dividend, what is our divisor, and what is our quotient, what is our remainder? For divisor, this is our dividend, right? Dividend. This is our divisor. The number which we are using for division. What do you call this number? Quotient. What do you call the leftover number here? Remainder. Leftover number is remainder. Any digit is left? No, 0. Okay, once verify this answer. What is our formula to verify? Dividend equals to divisor. Sorry, here I wrote. divisor into quotient, right? Into quotient plus remainder. Okay, what is our divisor here? 4. I am taking 4. What is our quotient here? 1162 plus what is our remainder? 0. Okay, multiply this 1162 with 4. 4 2s are 8, right? 4 6s are 24, 4 carry 2. 4 1s are 4, 5 6, 4 1s are 4. Okay, 4648 plus 0. We will get, if you are adding some number to 0, we will get that number itself. We learn in properties, right? 4462 is our dividend. Check it. If you want to write, right here. Dividend. Same here also dividend. Okay. So we got same answer as a dividend, 4648. Yeah, that means our answer is correct. This is the most important formula for verification. Learn this. Okay. Next we will see 3 digit with 2 digit. Okay. Yeah. See 3 digit and 4 digit with 1 digit we done. In next video inshallah, because this is taking too much time. In next video inshallah we are going to practice, we are going to learn 3 digit and 4 digit with 2 digit numbers. Okay. Hope you all understood. After doing division, you have to verify it by using formula dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Keep in your mind. After division, you have to verify it. I am going to give you same questions, 3 digit and 4 digit with 1 digit only. Okay. Do it, practice it. First of all, learn tables, practice it and do the worksheets. Hope you all understood. Jazakallahu khair. Allah Hafiz.